December 2025, which is a Wednesday, 10 a.m. onwards, still scrutiny is complete. The withdrawal of candidature will be on 11th December 2025, which is Thursday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The list of contesting candidates will be published on 11th December 2025, Thursday after 2 p.m. The date of poll, as already said, 20th December 2025, Saturday. Timings are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Date of counting is 22nd December 2025, Monday, 8 a.m. till counting is completed. The Model Code of Conduct comes into force from today with immediate effect and shall be applicable in all the areas under the jurisdiction of North Goa Zilla Panchayat and South Goa Zilla Panchayat respectively, excluding all municipal areas and the areas under the jurisdiction of Corporation of City of Karnal. Campaigning ends 48 hours before the commencement of the poll. The Commission has taken all measures to ensure that a free, fair and peaceful election. We appeal to all voters to come out in large numbers and exercise their right to vote. Thank you. Counting we will actually notify you after. Strong room and all will be notified.
As you have mentioned, the 5 lakh of limit for campaign, as this election has been conducted by party line, so how will be the party?
No, it is there in the act, which actually have taken care of all that. They have actually given limit for municipalities, panchayats as well as Zilla Panchayats. So that has been taken into account.
Flying squads have been nominated for this.
We will be putting flying squad in place. Static surveillance team also will be in place to monitor.
For this election, are you going to have that nota minority?
No, this is not by electoral voting. This is by ballot. Sensitive polling stations will be notifying this.
So 7 days will be for filing nomination. No? How many days they get candidates for campaigning?
Campaigning, in fact, last 2 days are not considered as campaigning because they are of the sick. Altogether, there are 10 days, including the last 2 days, right? Door-to-door campaigning is being done in the last day.
What is the period of days after this issue?
From the date of announcement of the schedule to the last day of nomination, it is 7 days, right? 7 days.
Normally, it should give 2 weeks for campaigning. Computing is it inadequate? Age, number of days?
It is as per the act, within the rules we have. In fact, 7 days, so I think they are getting more than that, right? 9 days they are getting. Any other question?
Sir, there will be any relaxation for code because feast, then Jatra.
Once the code is in place, there is no any other election because we have to do our election in time. No election. This is counting is before Christmas, so 22nd. Only the public holidays there won't be anything nomination. That is 3rd December and Sunday. They are public holiday.
During the code of conduct, the government cannot announce any new policies.
So we have the model code of conduct, which has been also put on the net, and so everything is given. What can be done, what cannot be done.
Even the municipal areas.
Municipal areas are not under the code of conduct. Municipal and CCP areas.
So they can announce the policies.
Announce if it is the government. If only for the municipal areas, like for example tendering and all those works and all that. Policy decision, please follow all, so they cannot do that.
So before also, this policy decision they cannot take during this program. Because sometimes they say that this is a municipal area, so they can.
You should see where it is applicable. If it is applicable for the full of Goa, it cannot be done.
Sir, expenditure of
5 lakhs.
Will there be numbers for any complaints?
Yes. Actually, all numbers of the ROs, AROs and all will be putting on the net. Even will be giving you all also. Some supplements also are being given after this. So all
We'll share on the group.
press. I think we have made your group also. So all this.
that SIR is going on, so this will be a relevant for this election.
No.
No.
We have already adopted a rule as January 1, 2025 is the cutout date. So that is what we have.
So this practice which is going on, this won't affect the.
No, it won't.
So people are using liquor during wedding time, so.
Oh, see, for a special event which are private, So they have to take permissions, and case to case basis the Department of Excise will issue them. So if it is a private event entirely and there is no sale of liquor, I think they can permit it.
Bar restaurants.
Or restaurant, no sale of liquor over the counter.
Not on Friday.
Any limitation ki the time limitation?
No, during dry days only. I think that notification will be
Not Friday. It will be very
Code of conduct.
Or moral
code of conduct.
10 o'clock. Right.
What is that?
We can
liquor
bar and
bar and restaurant.
Bar and restaurants will be open for that. Code of conduct is now. Businesses never stop now.
Time will be 10 o'clock.
That excise department will time limit. is there? No, I don't know. Only when they put the dry days, I think the restrictions come in. So if any no other personally lined up.
Thank you.
The staff which are involved in SR exercise, are they involved?
No, we have not involved any of this SR. In fact, that is the understanding that we will not take
What
any
is the
staff.
total number of staff that you record?
Yeah. No, normally the staff which are deployed in the field, they are the same. That is for the election work, whole day. And the other staff like AROs, ROs, district election officers, they have those who have actually been taken for SR have not been touched.
No, for presiding officer, polling officer.
They are the same. They are not in the activities of SR. 10,000, around 10,000.
Including the
Yes.
Sir, even during this model code of conduct, those who are doing the business after 10 p.m., they can sell the liquor.
See, when the restrictions come in, that is only during dry days.
Right.
So their restriction will be there. Businesses are not going to get affected unless.
But this is a festive season.
What is there is that we have to actually hold the polls before the term gets over. So that mandate is there on the election commission. So irrespective of any other reason, we have to manage it, balancing both the things.
Why was this delay in declaring?
There was no delay in that.
Some has gone for protest.
Oh, that one week we have postponed because actually we had to appoint other officers over there. At the same time, an assurance also was given by the government, the court, that till the petition is decided, we will not be going ahead with the schedule.
in the original conduct, the right of STF question will given.
Right, in the sense that see, the constitution clearly mandates that there should be 1/3 of reserved seats of ST for women. So we used to take it as like overall as 1/3. So that mistake we have corrected. So we have to do one more ST as a women candidate seat
Honesty.
for ST.
With High Court disposing of petition, is the matter still there before Supreme Court?
No, so far we are not aware.
We have no information.
No.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.